Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to block internet access on iPhone. So, let's dive right in. While you can't completely block all internet access on an iPhone, there are ways to restrict it for specific apps or entirely for cellular data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the familiar gray gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Cellular. This section provides settings related to your cellular data usage and network settings. Scroll down through the list of apps that can access cellular data. You'll see a toggle switch next to each app. Tap the toggle switch next to the app you want to restrict. When the switch is green, the app can access cellular data. Toggling it off to white restricts the app from using cellular data to connect to the internet. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.